Hey everyone, at the end of this video, if you like what you saw, consider hitting that like button. Also, if you like the videos you're seeing, hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Also, if you have any idea for anything you'd like to see or any type of content, leave it in the description box below, and I'll see if I can bring that for everyone. Okay? Thanks for watching.
Okay everyone, so today's video, I finally got the matching portion of the seat to this over here. So I'm going to be changing this out and putting that new one in. All it holds it in is a 10mm bolt there and two clips that you're going to have to you pull up on the seat and as you squeeze and pull out, and that's going to release it. There's one here and one there, and like I said, a 10mm bolt on the passenger side. Like I said, just feel around for it. I put a little bit of pressure, pull out, and then lift up, and that's it. Now this is out and it's free to move. And all it's holding is these things right here. Now for this next part, you want to make sure your seat belts are all up. Alright, that side's in. Alright, that one's in. And then last but not least, you're going to put your 10mm bolt back in here. And that's going to do it for this installation. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, now the front matches the back. Head around the other side, give you guys a better view. And like I said, clips fit perfectly. And this is off of a 2014 Acura ILX. It was the best condition for one I could find via the price. With that said, just making sure that's all fixed. So with that said, there's two indentations here and a small little, I guess you call that like a tear in the fabric. But other than that, now everything matches up. This is all leather. This is all leather. I'm gonna clean it up a little, see if maybe if I can't get that out, that indentation. But other than that, like I said, it's a pretty straightforward install. Doesn't take a lot to do. If you guys found this helpful, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It helps out so much. And tell your friends about it if they're thinking about a project like this. Once again, you know, when I started this, wasn't sure if I had a good idea that Acura ILX parts were very similar. Did some research and it seemed to confirm that and clearly you can do it. It took a little bit of finesse, but overall though, pretty simple, easy project. So if you want to do this yourself, finding these parts at a junkyard, hard to come by sometimes. I had to wait a very long time to get it, all the parts for the car, but overall, and like I said, that, you know, none of them were perfect. I mean, you could probably buy them from the dealership if you had that kind of money, but I didn't, so had to get it used. But I think overall it looks a lot better, makes a huge improvement to the car. Okay, as I said before, thanks for watching. See everyone in the next video.